Here you go, sweetie.
We pills that.
Hmm?
Am I on video?
Yes, you're on video. No, honey.
No, put the pills back.
No, it's rolling. I'll put them back next.
Oh.
Don't be pressing too hard. It's rather delicate.
Oh, I'm not squeezing hard. It feels like a metal statuette, a heavy one.
Interesting guess.
Several times its size, or a few times its size, it might be a murder weapon in a Perry Mason book. Oh, all I know is it's an hummingbird. Through the wrapping, I see that it's an hummingbird. Oh, beautiful.
A colorful bird for my colorful bird.
Wow. Oh, wow. Wow.
It really doesn't matter what it does. I just got it because it was so beautiful and so you.
It is gorgeous. It appears to be a perfume.
Correct. That is what it's designed to do, yes.
It's a perfume. I can't think what those are called.
Spritzer, I think.